Plants which possesses seeds but not fruits are option A. Bryophytes, option B. Pteridophytes, option C. Gymnosperm, option D. Angiosperm. The correct answer is option C, which is Gymnosperm. Select the correct pattern of arrangement of reproductive structure for Gymnosperm. Option A. Spore, sporophyll, sporangia, strobili. Option B. Spore, sporangia, sporophyll, strobili. Option C. Sporangia, sporophyll, spore, strobili. Option D. Spore, sporangia, strobili, sporophyll. The correct answer is option B, which is spore, then sporangia, then sporophyll, then strobili. Which of the following statement is incorrect about cycas? Option A. It has on-branch stem. Option B. It possesses pinnately compound leaves. Option C. It is a dioecious plant. Option D. It is a non-archegoniate plant. The correct answer is option D, which is it is a non-archegoniate plant. Dash do not have free living gametophyte. Option A. Bryophytes. Option B. Pteridophytes. Option C. Gymnosperm. Option D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option C, which is Gymnosperm. Seed plants are all option A. Heterosporous. Option B. Dioecious. Option C. Monoecious. Option D. Homosporous. The correct answer is option A, which is heterosporous. Gymnosperm are referred to as naked seeded plant because option A. They lack ovule. Option B. They lack ovaries. Option C. They have no seed coat. Option D. The embryo is unprotected. The correct answer is option B, which is they lack ovaries. The leaves of Gymnosperm are well adapted to withstand extreme of temperature, humidity and wind because of which of the following feature? Option A. Needle-like leaves. Option B. Thick cuticle. Option C. Sunken stomata. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Study the given statement about Gymnosperm and select the correct option. I. Mode of fertilization is siphonogamy. 2I. Male and female cone are born on same tree in Pinus. Third I. Endosperm present female gametophyte. Option A. Statement I and 2I are correct. Option B. Statement I and third I are correct. Option C. Statement I and third I are correct. Option D. Statement I, 2I and third I are correct. The correct answer is option D, which is statement I, 2I and third I are correct. Which of the following Gymnosperm has branch stem? Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cycas. Option C. Cedrus. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and C. Pinus and Cedrus. Coralloid roots of dash have symbiotic association with nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cedrus. Option C. Cycas. Option D. Ginkgo. The correct answer is option C, which is Cycas. Mycorrhizal roots of dash are associated with some fungal symbiont. Option A. Pinus. Option B. Cedrus. Option C. Cycas. Option D. Ginkgo. The correct answer is option A, which is Pinus. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. Sagopam, Chilgoza fruit, ephedrine drop, cedar wood oil. Column 2I. Ephedra, Pinus, Gerardiana, Cycas, Revoluta, Juniperus, Virginiana. The correct answer is option B, which is Sagopam match with Cycas revoluta, Chilgoza fruit match with Pinus gerardiana, ephedrine drug match with Ephedra, cedar wood oil match with Juniperus virginiana. Canada balsam, a mounting agent used to make permanent slide is obtained from the species of option A, Abies, option B, Cedrus, option C, Pinus, option D, Juniperus. The correct answer is option A, which is Abies. Select the mismatch pair. Option A, Cycas, living fossil. Option B, Thuja, agar production. Option C, Pinus, resin, turpentine production. Option D, Araucaria, ornamental plant. The correct answer is option B, which is Thuja, agar production. Gymnosperm do not include option A, herbs, option B, shrub, option C, trees. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option A, which is herbs. Gymnosperm called as a living fossil is option A, Cycas, option B, Ginkgo, option C, Juniperus, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. In Pinus, male strobilus bear a large number of option A, anther, option B, stamen, option C, microsporophyll, option D, megasporophyls. The correct answer is option C, which is microsporophyls. Megasporophyll of gymnosperm is homologous to dash of angiosperm. Option A, stamen, option B, carpel, option C, sepal, option D, petal. The correct answer is option B, which is carpel. Gymnosperm do not bear fruits because they do not have option A, seeds, option B, ovary, option C, ovule, option D, pollination. The correct answer is option B, which is ovary. Which of the following structure are haploid in gymnosperm? Option A, pollen grain, megaspore, embryo. Option B, pollen grain, megaspore, endosperm. Option C, megaspore, leaf, root. Option D, leaf, root, integument. The correct answer is option B, which is pollen grain, megaspore and endosperm. Identify the gymnosperm shown in figure and select the correct option. Option A, Cycas, Cedrus. Option B, Pinus, Cycas. Option C, Ginkgo, Pinus. Option D, Cycas, Ginkgo. The correct answer is option A, which is figure A represents Cycas and figure B represents Cedrus. Heterospory is found in some member of dash and all member of dash. Option A, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Option B, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta. Option C, Bryophyta, Gymnospermy. Option D, Pteridophyta, Spermatophyta. The correct answer is option D, which is Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta.